Hi guys, welcome back. I am starting this video in my car again. I am driving to the reception venue to start the decorations for the Saturday's wedding. I am fully loaded with the stuff that I need to bring there. This is a day one and day two will be on Friday. Today is Thursday. I don't think I will be having that much time of setting the camera and show you the whole process. My camera is not meant for vlogging. It automatically shuts down, and sometimes I even don't know that it shut down on me, so I had to like constantly go back and forth and check the camera. And for me, when I'm decorating, I would like to be not bothered, so I want to focus and just do the decorations because it's gonna go faster and more efficient for me. Stay with me, bear with me. I will learn, I will invest in a better camera for you guys and for myself as well, and I will learn to make these vlogs better. All right, you guys, I'll see you at the place. Okay, so I have arrived to the place where the reception is going to take place. And this is just the beginning. There will be a stage when you see that row of chairs. And right now we're doing this ironing tablecloths. Are pinning the fabric to drape. You're doing good.
Yeah, I know.
This is already pinned fabric. We're steaming the first layer, and then we're gonna pin the rest of the fabric and drape the second layer of this backdrop. Guys, a little update. We did all the tables. They're having this I believe tea as their favors, and then mirrors, and there will be flowers on top. Also, that green wall over there you see is going to be a photo booth area. I still need to pin all of my paper flowers. And these big vases that you see, they're gonna hold flowers. And for the main table, we are waiting for somebody to block the windows in the back of the fabric, so if it's gonna be light outside, you won't be able to see the windows. We draped two backdrops, two-layer backdrop, that's how I call it, just like so. And they're going to be a little bit closer together. The stage over here, this gray part, will be covered with fabric, and we will have some of the chandeliers hanging in between of the layers over here. There are going to be three in the middle, and then two closer to this side and two to that side. We will drape some polka dot tulle over this. It's going to be very cute. These tablecloths, they're not white, they're off-white, so I was thinking for the head table to have it matte white so the polka dot tool can stand out. Let me show you what's going on here. This is the centerpieces for different tables. Now we're gonna try to make ivy garland around the chandeliers. So all I did is I took 2 bunches of ivy. I laid the ivy in this garland shape sort of a thing, and these are the bunches over here. And I'm gonna take a fishing line and I'm going to tie where the ends of ivy meets the full stem. And then I'll show you what we're gonna do with it. Alright you guys, we are draping the head table. Look at this tool. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. And these crystal candle holders will go on top. And we started from the middle to have the even amount of tulle. And we're gonna go all the way, all the way, all the way. Alright, so how are we draping this tulle? We're making folds at about 2-3 inches wide. Just like that. And then we pin it with a pin, my lovely pin with a pearl on top. And we pin it to the tablecloths. And it holds really, really well. It's gonna stay that way till the end of the wedding. I guarantee you guys. This is kind of a finished backdrop. We're trying to finish up for today, clean up. This is our leaf garland. Yay. Till tomorrow. You guys, so this is a day 2 of the wedding preparations. Yesterday we did a full day of decorations. Right now it's 10:46 in the morning, so right now we are going to church where the ceremony will take place, and we need to drape a backdrop. That backdrop the family of the bride rented out in Missouri, and that backdrop goes all the way to the ceiling, and the church ceilings are really, really, really high. And then closer to the evening we need to do the hoop with all the greenery and flowers assembled. That hoop will be standing in the back of the bride and groom during the ceremony. We need to go back to the reception venue and finish some finishing touches over there. So I'm almost at the ceremony place, and I will show you what's going on there. All right, we came to the place, and oh wow, it looks so beautiful. Look at this. No, I'm good, thank you. Oh, this screen looks so awesome. Oh wow. Okay, little hack for the columns and the flowers on top. Into the reception venue place where everything's gonna take place after the ceremony. This is our backdrop. It's very pretty. We have chandeliers, 3 over here, 2 on sides, and you basically saw everything in my day 1. You guys, do you see these stairs? They have so much memories for me. One of the weddings, the first wedding that I ever did and got the full experience of the wedding business, I remember my cousin asked me to carry a thick, like this thick wooden cake stand. So I was carrying it with 2 hands, and I was walking in my, I believe I had flip-flops on, and then I was walking these stairs, and at about here I tripped and I fell, and if you can see a scar over here, that wooden thing fell on my finger and split it open. I had to get stitches, and I remember I was calling my husband. I'm like, don't worry about it, but I need stitches, and he was freaking out. But yeah, this is my lovely story with these lovely stairs. Okay, let me start showing you with this guest book, but it's like a picture, and we have some petals. It's made from wood, and the bride ordered this on Etsy. And the main part is this beautiful, beautiful setup at church. Look at this. How beautiful is that? We have this backdrop that goes all the way to the ceiling. We have flowers on the side and lots of petals going and leading us to the stage. And look at this. This is beautiful. And look at this arch. We made this arch with all of the girls that were here helping. This ring is made out of metal. It's pretty heavy, and the base is very heavy. And then we have this uplighting in the back. We have 5 LED lights. Here how it looks from the stage. Beautiful. All right, you guys, this is a wrap for today. Till tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. So this is a day 3 and a big day. So I am on my way to church right now. It's 11:39, so I'll be there just in time to fix anything that needs to be fixed. My plan is to go to church and then stay there for about 10 minutes after they walk down the aisle. I want to see is everything okay, and I will be going straight to reception venue because some of the things needs to be done over there before guests start to arrive. Whenever is the ceremony will be over, people will bring those flowers that we have along the aisle, and I need to place this sticky thing at the bottom of the flowers and kind of place it on top of the vase so it would hold for safety reasons, and we're good to go and celebrate the big day. So let's do this. Your worst fear in the entire world comes true. And our first layer of fabric here came crashing down. Do you remember those chandeliers that were hanging here? Well, here they are. We had 7 chandeliers. 2 of them are perfectly fine. These 2 are shattered. This one is shattered, and these 2, we'll see. I didn't have a chance to get to them and see. But other than that, everything went very, very well. The party is over, and it's time to clean up.